bombastic side-eye, criminal offensive side-eye.
Tapi bohong.
Hello, my name is Jessica Melnasia Putri as narrator.
My name is Malika Amalia.
My name is Adi Fabiana. My name is Luciana Fatabella.
We are as children.
I am Adia Novitasari.
I am Tiara Mawati.
I am Giovanni Putri Pratiwi.
I am Naila Raja. I am Tamawatri.
We are citizen.
I am Mutiara Dewi Wulandari.
I am Priska Devisarani.
I am Fatlaika Cemidastuti.
We are adults.
I'm Kuswita Putri Kuswardani as a widow.
I am Alia as assistant.
I'm Muhammad Syarif Wahid as Dragon Parliamentary.
I am Ratika Kusina as a dog.
Hello everyone.
I am Octavia Priyamadani.
I am Wardah Afifah.
We are as
Editor team.
The Legend of Rawa Pening. Once upon a time in old Java there was a village. Pening was its name. Pening was a prosperous village. The land was fertile and the weather was always good all year round. It was on the slope of Mount Merbabu, so the climate was cool. People made their living by cultivating rice, vegetables, and fruits. The harvest was always satisfying. So all of them lived a happy life. That's why once a year they held a ceremony called Bersih Desa. It was a kind of Thanksgiving day. It was a day when they expressed their thankfulness to God for a successful harvest. They would clean their village and then they would pray together. At night, they would have a dinner together and hold theater performance. One day after a successful harvest, they would celebrate it. That time they want something special. They want more meat for dinner, so they were hunting in the wood. Just outside of the village there was a wood where there were many animals like deer, buffalo, moose deer, lamb, and many others. But that day there was no animal at all. Animals were nowhere to be seen. They had searched every inch of the wood, but still their efforts were in vain. When it was almost dark, they were very tired, so they took a rest. They sat on something that looked like a rock and a big root. Everybody was silent because they were exhausted and disappointed. Then suddenly someone chopped the big root with his sword to relieve his disappointment. Amazingly, there was blood coming out of the root. They were surprised. Someone tried to chop it deeper. He found meat, so they chopped more and more. After their bags were full of meat, they were satisfied. Then they went home happily. That night, the people of Pening were preparing a big dinner. They want a special dinner with the meat they got from the wood. Just as they were preparing dinner, a boy came to the village. He looked poor. He begged food to some people, but they refused. Someone said,
"We are preparing dinner. You might come to our dinner tonight, but not now.
But I'm very hungry.
Just come here tonight."
But then there was an old widow who took care of him. She was just a poor widow. She gave him food and shelter. You may take a rest here. Join us tonight for dinner.
Thank you very much. You are very kind to me. You are the only one who helped me. That's why I will save you tonight. There will be a great event here.
Yes, there will be a great party.
No, I mean something special.
What do you mean?
I cannot say no, but listen to me. Prepare a bed for you.
Why? What will happen?
Just do as I say.
Please tell me what will happen.
Okay, you are very kind to me, so I will tell you. But please promise me you won't tell none.
Okay, I promise.
I'm Naga Baru Klinting. I'm a dragon. I was meditating in the south of Mons Merbabu. When your people hurt me, they brought my by copying my body. Now they are preparing dinner with meal from my body, so I will take my revenge tonight, but I will save you. Prepare a boat for you.
Oh, please. Don't do that. Forgive my people.
Whatever will be, goodbye.
Then the boy left just before the dinner began at the village hall. Some boys were playing in the yard. Suddenly, a boy came to them.
Hi guys, I have a game.
Then he held a small bamboo and attached it to the ground.
If you can pull it, I will give you a special present.
Oh, that's very easy.
He tried to pull it, but it was very strong, so he could not pull it. Another boy tried, but he also failed. Everybody failed. Then this game drew adult attention. One by one, they tried to pull, but all of them could not make it. When many people gathered, then the boy said,
Oh, people of meaning, I'm Naga Baru Klinting. I am a dragon. I was meditation in the sleep on Mat Merbabu when you captured me. Now I will take my revenge on your party.
Then he pulled the bamboo. Amazingly, water poured from the ground. The water immediately flooded the village. Finally, the whole village sank underwater. They were all drowned and died in the lake. There was only one survivor, the poor of widow. She has prepared a simple boat so she could survive. Since then on, the lake is called Rawa Pening. Rawa means lake in Javanese, Indonesian language. Today the lake is located in the province of Central Java, Indonesia.